الذين تابوا وأصلحوا واعتصموا بالله وأخلصوا دينهم لله فأولئك مع المؤمنين وسوف يؤتي الله المؤمنين أجرا عظيما.
Except those who repent and mend their ways and hold fast to Allah and devote their faith exclusively to Allah. Such shall be numbered with the believers, and Allah will certainly bestow on the believers a great reward.
ما يفعل الله بعذابكم إن شكرتم وآمنتم وكان الله شاكرا عليما.
Why should Allah deal chastisement to you if you are grateful to Him and believe? Allah is all appreciative, all knowing.
لا يحب الله الجهر بالسوء من القول إلا من ظلم وكان الله سميعا عليما.
Allah does not like speaking evil publicly unless one has been wronged. Allah is all hearing, all knowing.
إن تبدوا خيرا أو تخفوه أو تعفو عن سوء فإن الله كان عفوا قديرا.
Even though you have the right to speak evil, if you are wronged, if you keep doing good, whether openly or secretly, or at least pardon the evil, then that is the attribute of Allah. Allah is all pardoning, and He has all the power to chastise.
إن الذين يكفرون بالله ورسله ويريدون أن يفرقوا بين الله ورسله ويقولون نؤمن ببعض ونكفر ببعض ويريدون أن يتخذوا بين ذلك سبيلا.
There are those who disbelieve in Allah and His messengers and seek to differentiate between Allah and His messengers and say, we believe in some and deny others, and they seek to strike a way between the two.